and you watch this video, you wanna know how they make them dancing videos, or even one of them ones where it mimics something that somebody else is doing. How are we gonna do that? I'm gonna show you with this tool today, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the video. All right, so the user interface is simple, bro. Like, this is literally self-explanatory, and I just want y'all to see right here, look at some of the stuff you can do. They got the lip syncing videos, a raccoon, and this newscaster are saying the same thing. And right now in this video, we're gonna go over all these different things you can do here with the tool. But let me show you an example that I made already ahead of time. Bro, I literally took a picture. I'm gonna show you this full screen. This is a girl lip syncing right here.
This video is fire even though it's fake.
And she's just rubbing lotion on. It's insane. It's a picture I made using Nano Banana Pro, and they just added the lip sync to it right here with a couple steps. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so if you want to make your own project when you get here, bro, it's very simple. You can click new project, or you can use some of the popular tools they already have, like face swap, image to video. And what I just did was an image to video, but they also have lip sync. Let's click it. All right, boom. So there's two things you can do as soon as you get here. You can upload a picture of a face video you already have. So that's you. If you uploaded a YouTube video, or there's some sort of popular TikTok or Instagram reel you want to copy, you go ahead and upload it. Or if you want to pick a face that you have, let's do it live. You're going to be able to pick from your files. All right, and as you see right here, it automatically detected that there's two people in the picture. So let's go ahead and click next. I want a 3x4, so let's click next again. All right, you see we're going to click 1080p. Now, look at the built-in things we have here. We're using Pro, so that's going to give us better movement, better clarity, everything crispy, you feel me? So now we need a voice. Now, this is where you can upload your own voice file, or you can pick one that they have here. So let's go to pick voice, and look at this, bro. You can upload your own, or if you want, look at this. They even have different languages. Look at all the languages. English, Spanish, Portuguese, Portuguese, what that is, French, German, Chinese, Korean, so many more, all right? Simple. We're doing English. Now, when you go to pick voice, we want a female voice. Let's hear if they got any heat. Let's see what they talking about. All right, Arabella wins. So now we need to type in what we want. So now this is where you go into your type prompting. This is where you gotta get creative with what you wanted to say, bro. So any brand product you have, imagine if you have shirts or merch, right? Let's say we want this to say, our products are so fire, they don't even look real. I'm gonna type that in and let's see what video it makes. Okay, so I said the speed is just regular. It's a standard mode. Our products are so fire, they don't even look real. We go to generate audio, and guess what? It's free. Look at that. I didn't edit, I didn't cut anything. That's literally just took me 4 seconds to make this. And if you don't like the video or the audio that it gave you, you can literally press regenerate, but we're gonna press apply. Perfect, we tested it out to make sure it's everything we wanted. We want everything 1080p, and we're gonna press generate. It's that simple, bro, and it says it's submitted. So right here, you're able to do different things. If you wanna get started on another project, if you wanna get started on another project or whatever it is you wanna do, you can actually do that right here. So it's lip syncing, and you'll see in about 5 or 10 minutes, it'll be ready. So let's do something else in the meantime. Now you see them videos with people that are dancing and replicating famous and popular dances or whatever you see Rick Ross doing, all that stuff. You're gonna do that by using motion control. Let me show you how to do it in a couple clicks. So when you click motion control right there, this is where you literally can upload any video that you have of a popular TikToker, dance, whatever you want. You click right here and you're gonna be able to select your character or any picture that you wanna upload that you want to do the dance. And when you type it in your prompt, I'm gonna give you the secret sauce that you need so you can go ahead and collect some of these ducats, because the prompt is what's gonna get you paid and it's what's gonna get you viral. So here we go. I typed in copy the reference video exactly. So therefore it knows exactly what to copy. I want her to do everything that this girl in this reference video did. We want it 1080p, and then we press generate. And it's that simple. It literally starts working for you right then and there. And all of the things and projects you're working on are gonna be right here. So if there's ever one, when you learn a new tool or you learn something else and you wanna add it to the video or picture that you were editing before, you simply just go right here, and you can do all of your controls right here, from AI lip syncing to AI video generator to even keeping your character consistent, because look at the pictures. You can upload your own picture. While those things cook, I'm gonna show you something called chat editor. Chat editor is where you're gonna be able to talk to the AI, bro. You communicate directly to the AI. You don't need to be an engineer. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to do this. Let me show you how to do this. Calm down, calm down. Chat. Now, when you click chat editor, you're going to be able to see that they give you a little sample image right here. So let's just go with the example and let's just see what we can get this to do so we don't upload our own picture. So it says, put this character in the library reading a book without changing their appearance or their details. I said, have him dancing. All right. So all we do is press generate. And again, everything cooks for you in real time. So I'm going to be right back when the videos are done. Chat. I lied to you not. It's been 20 seconds. And look at this. Look at bro. He's in a library. this is the before picture, this is the picture, this is the end result. So it's him, this normal yellow background, right? Look what you see, and look what it turned him into. I said I want to look like he's dancing, he's in the library, and look how dope this is, bro. You can save this. As you see, you can add it to your favorites. And if you like what I'm describing in the video, click the description because right now they got 50% off, gang. I said half off. You can get everything you've seen right here, including Kling 3.0, plus unlimited 4K Nano Banana Pro, bro. You see me doing the numbers. Look at the screen. You see what I do every damn day. I'm doing brazy. So instead of just watching and living vicariously through people you see and scroll past all damn day on TikTok and Instagram, why don't you get in the game? Why don't you get some motion and start making some pictures, making some graphics, whatever, bro. You gotta work anyway. Why not earn a couple extra dollars or grow your business or brand, okay? Back to the video. And that favorites comes with a folder, okay? Very simple. You can go ahead and download it. You can place this on your canvas so you can go ahead and start editing it and working on it. Or most of all, you can share it to somebody, social media, to one of your team, whatever you want to share it to. And scroll down a little bit, bro. Look, upscale it. You can make it even higher resolution if you want to turn it into a video. They got face swap. If you want to change his face to somebody else, you could change his expressions, bro. You can do lip syncing, AI video, image editor, so much more. And let's say you want to converse directly with the AI, bro. I said, make the hoodie black, press generate. And literally in real time, it starts cooking. And we're gonna see exactly what it comes up with. The new generation will be up here. So again, every old generation will be down here. This is the old one. You hover over it, it shows it on your screen. We scroll up, we see it's working on something new for us. Talking to y'all in real time, and look what it did. Look what it did in real time, bro. He's still partying, he's still dancing, and he's getting his learn on. This shit is crazy. And we're back. The video that we edited with the lip sync is done. Let's pull it up on the screen.
Our products are so fire, they don't even look real.
You look real though. I made her. I made her using text. So she's now lip syncing words, and all we did was type in something. Y'all watch me do it. And after that brief intermission, here is our dancing video, or our motion control video. Oh, yeah, this is not financial advice. This is not, I'm not your guru. Do what you want, but I am telling you that you may want to give this tool a check out, bro. Because AI is cooking whether you like it or not. And if you like this tool, they have in the sale 50% off. And if you click my description below, they got something for you right now that you need to sign up for. New deal, new special. I'm telling you, tell them the session sent you. I like you, I love you. Let me know what you thought of these tools. This is an all-in-one. You don't need 8 different tools, 8 different things, and you need Kling, you need to go buy this. No, you pay for one thing, and they got everything under here, is what it seems. So I think this is a 8 out of 10 tool, banger. I think you need to go check it out. Let me know what you think. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.